Your tile floors are being damaged and you don't know it. Dear friends, your tile floors may look perfectly fine today, but some everyday habits could be slowly damaging them without you realizing it. One common mistake is using harsh cleaners. Strong acids, bleach, or abrasive chemicals can gradually dull the surface, weaken grout, and affect the finish of certain tiles. Another problem is dirt and sand. Tiny particles brought inside on shoes can act like sandpaper, creating small scratches and making polished tiles lose their shine over time. Dragging furniture across the floor is another hidden danger. Even lightweight chairs and tables can leave scratches, especially on softer natural stone or glossy surfaces. Too much water can also cause problems. While tiles themselves are generally water resistant, moisture can seep into damaged grout or underneath tiles, potentially leading to stains, odors, or loose tiles. Using the wrong cleaning tools is another mistake. Rough scrub pads and stiff brushes can damage delicate finishes. A soft microfiber mop is usually a safer choice for regular cleaning. Don't forget about spills. Coffee, wine, oil, and acidic foods can stain porous tiles or grout if they are left sitting for too long. The good news? Preventing damage is simple. Sweep regularly, clean with a tile-appropriate solution, wipe spills quickly, and use protective pads under furniture. Your tile floor doesn't need aggressive cleaning, it needs the right care. Treat it properly, and that beautiful finish can last for years. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.